Hi! This video is about congruence of triangles. A quick recap of part 1 video. Now, what are congruent triangles? Congruent triangles have the same shape and size. When superimposed, they cover each other exactly. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Correctly naming the congruent triangles is very important for showing accurate matching of corresponding parts. Rules of congruence of triangles. If you have 2 triangles drawn in your notebook, to verify if they are congruent, you cannot, every time, cut one of them to superimpose on the other. Instead, we have some rules or criteria to judge if the triangles are congruent or not. These rules are based on the measures of the sides and the angles of the triangles to be judged. Rule 1. Side or SSS rule. If 3 sides of one triangle are equal to its corresponding sides of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. These small lines on the sides of the triangles are called hash marks. The same number of hash marks are used to show the corresponding equal sides. Here's an example. 2 triangles given with the measure of their sides. Let's check if they are congruent and write their congruency. Examine the figure carefully and write the 3 pairs of corresponding equal sides. Now, we can easily see that the vertex A corresponds to vertex R, vertex B to vertex P, and vertex C matches with Q. So, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle RPQ. Before moving on to the next rule, let's understand a few terms. Included side is the side between the 2 angles of a triangle. Included angle is the angle between the 2 sides of a triangle. Rule 2. Side, angle, side. SAS rule. If 2 sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the corresponding 2 sides and the included angle of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Example 2. In triangle ABC, side AB is equal to side AC. AD bisects angle A. Is triangle ADB congruent to triangle ADC? Is angle B equal to angle C? Now, watch the steps carefully. So the triangles are congruent by SAS rule. Rule 3. Angle, side, angle, or ASA rule. If 2 angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to the corresponding angles and the included side of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Example 3. In the given figures, A, B, C, and P, Q, R are right triangles. Are they congruent? They have 2 pairs of angles and a pair of included sides equal. Now, let's write the answer. This is ASA rule. The rule ASA becomes AAS when the given sides are not the included sides. Rule 4. Right, hypotenuse, side, or RHS rule. If the hypotenuse and one side of a right triangle are equal to the corresponding hypotenuse and a side of another right triangle, then the triangles are congruent. ABC and PQR are right triangles. Look at their corresponding parts to find if they are congruent. Let's mark the corresponding sides and write the answer. Now, check your understanding. Are these triangles congruent? Yes, by ASA rule. Triangles congruent by SSS rule. We can't judge the congruency as the information is insufficient. Triangles are congruent by AAS rule. That's the end of this video. Bye.